When the country president is on suit, Saturday, no. When the country, what that president?
Maybe say go suit.
No. And one thing I be seen that Kwame, you who you to aban, and so nipa na tutia. When it way. Obi e deny so no no to. Eti eyawo. Nyamia. Yasra. Eyamia. Eti when it way. Verse 1 to 7 starting I can close.
Okay. Revelation chapter 4. Verse 1.
Odofu tie ne Bobby T parliament MPP for the kan.
You making kind of after this I looked and behold a door was opened in heaven and the first voice which I heard was its were of a trumpet talking with me which said come up here come up here and I will show thee things which must be hereafter.
What?
And immediately I was in the spirit.
Also no
in the spirit. And behold, a throne was set in heaven, and one sat on the throne. And he that sat was to look upon like a jasper and a sardine stone. And there was a rainbow round about the throne, in sight like unto an emerald. And round about the throne were 24 seats.
What 4 and 24 seats.
And upon the seats I saw 24 elders sitting, clothed in white raiment.
Yeah, what's it there? What's it there?
White raiment.
Then I atare na shewom.
White raiment.
Na ye konwa na esiwa ne oba tena so no. Omo twa ho ahia no. Kwame, afi you know, atare be na ese omo she.
White
and this for ko no mo she dey atare. White. President who kwa who say suit. We trom. No.
Suit no na blue.
Enti e be to be tia wa woni nipa to ye. Because in the kingdom mandate after 2021 in the year of ox, no, anything concerning throne no supposed to be white dress. And then did to catch it. It when you beba ho na won krofo atu atia. When you beba ho na bibia ko atia wa, wo be ye dan hu sare ya call.
Wow.
Yeah. Now to asuka krem na mchirwane. How they suffer so much.
And they had on their heads crowns of gold. 5. And out of
Jampoko 6, 7.
6. And before the throne there was a sea of glass like unto crystal.
7.
And 7. And the first beast was like a lion. And the second beast was like a calf.
First beast was like a lion.
A lion.
The living creature. Well, can 6 yes, and you're
okay. 6 and therefore the throne there was a sea of glass like unto crystal, and in the midst of the throne and round about the throne were 4 beasts, full of eyes, before and behind.
Yeah.
Full of eyes. Before and behind. Yeah.
Face it throne, sir. Eti ndomo yan say information esafata na betena ha kan sem bi a chere president depend say president doesn't need workers, he need lovers. Yeah, say okay.
Yeah.
And na 29 prophecy na be no the man president afuto bi say in the school of life your ability to separate your Judas from your Peter is the most important thing.
Yeah. Your ability to separate the Judas from your Peter
is the most important
thing
in life, in govern. Because Peter may have a bad day, but Judas
has a bad character.
It doesn't matter. So Elisa,
Debbie,
a boss on a man, the animal air condition.
Debbie,
yes,
he has a bad character. Peter, the Dana uncle ye, bibi ne see, a before being a banning. Judas the one was not yet.
Fija ye wo no kopim da owu ye.
Akomanye.
Ontimi sisa. Oye betrayer. Oye selfish. He caused competition and contention. No jinam no waka ni nsa agunebo. Asa wonka ho. Anuma kokone kone okoha no. Then this phone your man no mo white. Ufi say wo mo hum say boni bi beba anko me white.
Debbie.
No.
And the 4 beasts had each of them. Menko 7. And the first beast was like a lion.
Lion.
And the second beast was like a calf.
Ox.
And the third beast had a face as a man.
Has a face as a man.
And the fourth beast was like a flying eagle.
Like an eagle. The first living creature supposed to be a lion.
Yes.
Represent your tribe.
Jata. Okay.
The second living creature supposed to be a calf. A oxen.
What's an oxen? The year of the ox.
The year of the ox. When we say we are singing heaven in the throne na nyame ahenni no moa miensa ni odi kan lion. Say the be ya awowo ene sa ayi entimi mpio. Ni etoso mienu oxen for sacrifice.
Okay.
And humanity. Nena o twe beka 9 gift afi we so obi anya in the year of ox. We anya ombobra. 9 gift.
So for so 9 gift ni na. Na number kokra we
nya ya. Say you betum dia abobra.
That's right.
Ox na fei the otoso yensa eye nipa man and then the otoso 9 eagle. Enti emua a lion, ox and eagle. And omo nyankopon ahemwa nanim. Ena nipa eka ho. Ge ntina nyame e de saa de no eba nipa. E pa chese afina ya wuram no edu baabi a se wo mpese niema bi fa wase a wadampo no na don't forget say kwa me was some one nyina so omo eyes atwam ho ahia eti ebasa wo na ntina ba bo so nyame ntonko no wada now the virgin wo nyame a aso yeku but obom sesi ani obi edwane that the lion part of God. Now the virgin Bible say ono na no ti se nyame but well munu so ye nyame but owro no hugu ho ebe fa nipa te bia to no so na obeye nipa se o ye na di esi enti hu ni so nipa na hu na mane se nipa am dey ba ache no ma wo born as that is the ox am dey ba ache no o wi ye no ni obi na din si akonko he went back flying like an eagle.
That's right. That's right.
Enti me yire na yasra down there patch. Sa wade ne be koyi a e wo se me gina like lion no matimi protect from family no ama niema boni bi nipa bi niema bi intimidate here that makes me a man. Down there patch. Spiritual man. Bible say God is a man of war.
Yeah.
Down there patch. Yes, that's what you say so and say yes, that's supposed to be ox. For sacrifice 24/7. Me yire no a me ba ni se me pa achew awia anopa so de mam ti say eyi minum tin no so ade arabia minum tin 3 times a day.
Yeah, that's right.
Enti on the part is for the sacrifice.
Yeah.
Now the pa ache no apart from that no so me free office be do fia then I become a man. Enti me do fia me nya sia me nya apostle I supposed to be a man to my family.
Unya MD.
Dabi
unya CEO. Friend say board chair.
Dabi
ni nyina and the office work.
Ni nyina and the office work. We be do fie pay. And ntina John chapter 1 verse 6 was Bible say there was a man sent from God. There was a man before he sent from God. Until before I to God no.
It's a
woman.
That's right.
I'm the imagine. It is a baby Tiamia. Who could say, or your man before president, or your man before vice, or your man before apostle, or your man before any celebrity. One who is our in and no answer. Our to me then the year of contention. What him say last week, we can say 4,000 years ago, Anna, Yawo, Jacob and Esau. Mommy Homa. Na can Homa. And I tamaso.
Oh, Debbie, Yanko.
Come in.
Some
29 no Sunday Sunday 29 apart from some who are doing, but the house I'm who say number for Pajam send him the same thing. And I'm who say Marco the South Africa, the border between South Africa and Zimbabwe, into Johannesburg and Harare. It is young who say Johannesburg account Harare account and another capital being so.
And also down Hosa, South Africa Hosa.
Luanda capital offense Kigali so account straight or yan say na Nigeria air katumba and was say a plana and crofona fa say can be so say second wave ni bi Africa enti say one month pa masa country ya air tutumu ba no Nigeria to me to say wom abedu country Ghana Open them what you say enti minim say baby mu atoto adu
South Africa for na weekend.
South Africa muato. South Africa muato. It was chanki Kigali and Harare so me if what so what me to Nigeria for anyi wo no mu bietum say de e call you no a. Ghana. Ebedu Ghana. Until we must be very careful. And no danchi a come Sunday man. Last week we make a contention and competition and a betrayal and I'm a baba come and I'm sharing come so be so for America into a pastor ever Washington and I say ja be hwe say the amount for eba Washington ya nti bompa mai nti me gi mu wala pass ya nti me kodu fie na me konya na me bompa nti me kodu me dem me wura me dempe na hu say mani abi wan pe na me fa fu and I'm say me washroom but me baba record am na ade ya ba be si America na ade ya be si America fie ne Bona ekosi na awotwe se mu Washington se sa na Washington tia intie program ni bi because adi e beba Washington bebo mo nsem Trump is about to some but you know asem da mekan ba akokora ntofom na kwa me hunim America for mo nsem se sa die we esi on the seas mo nsem ya se nya on the seas na epie ye ena nke kopie next week na awotwe a America will never be America again. Ever. Now, Obo Kanchire Nancy Police said he is dealing with the most dangerous man on earth called Trump. Trump no mondo man say won anum say no. Say o free so see a obey more dangerous than so what.
You don't mean it.
I am telling you. March from Nekosi March.
Wow.
Otiso no yes, you are dangerous. No more office or be more dangerous.
Lucky ni say o ma broko no ada network na onya kwan. Me say kan Trump be dani America ni abutu. Obe fafa ama ba dia fafa. I'm telling you.
They're blocking it Twitter, Facebook.
Yeah. Still on Pamba. Me say from time they could see match. So be our America on take this opportunity. Sir yes you bad in here from and then now watching aircon. So be person investment on anything because me who say spiritually you know I be shoot stock no I be cost from January to February from March April I be crash boom seriously because on the 9th no 29th no me the house and who say me sound no me sound no say obofo ne ka me say yenko America and there's going to be 3 levels of tsunami. And I was said yeah
3 levels of tsunami.
3 levels of tsunami. It's going to be political tsunami, economic tsunami, and spiritual tsunami. And kwame obofo bi say meti tsunami ase. And I'm say there be meti tsunami ase. And was say tsunami Japan for kasa. Me dem ka menti da. Menti do. And obofo say tsunami Japan for kasa. It means means tsunami means horrible. Me sound. There's going to be a horrible sound in America. Both physical, spiritual, and economic. Costa, from 20th, next year, 20th, 2021. the person will get because anything can happen in America.
Coastal lines.
They say there's going to be a fire, a tsunami, an earthquake, anything in America.
So, my main can idea be me laptop here so na a headline okay. Na oka Donald Trump asemi any nyama ma block no any idea no. Or say Twitter loses $5 billion in market value after Trump is permanently barred from the platform.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, Trump if he Twitter so no, Twitter lose $5 billion.
What can I say? Me try na kwesi asemi so. What can I say? You omo to aba no ni week na mba no. Me can say onyame ka kire me say America die ye two election no. Asema obofon de man no aye Matthew 24:37. Yeah, as the days of Lot, as the day of Noah. Am ye can count. In the days of Noah no, the man nyame ese wiase was the giant. And ni na how American prophecy no. Ni na wa. Ni na o baby. And this time no, after American election no, all the tech giants are going to collapse. I'm telling you, from 3rd November, all the American tech giants, God is going to shake them because as the days of Noah, so as the days of America. And mama yakin kai, Emma Captain Kwan the kai said days of Noah sa danwa pepe and na nsuo pie. America is going to come 10 times a collapsed empire. Mr. Trump for the White House he is going to be more dangerous, more powerful than say what you are Nancy police say yeah omo fast jealous on it happen now omo go to no omo nyai omo fan to be they should deal with the man with love. Now they ba che no na mom say yeah they by force chin atwan emwa. That's right. Emwa because that man Onipa or what 10 most luxurious hotels in the world, 10 most amazing houses in America than White House. No, it's mean Tunko. 4 years he was pay. Yeah. This is the man they are dealing with, and this must be very. Yeah. Say America for you know I'm saying 2020. They should mark it from and now watching echo on the bomb and some Emma. We are saying, they have never seen anything yet. America have never seen. They never seen anything yet. Now they are impacting because Adentia the year of another dream me be many. America must be a could too. No be a could ye do chabeno. Penny ye do chabeno.
Yasu Anujano.
Yes, Sana obia could be two could have now. I'm saying, where are they going above for the actual from 20th and before 20th? We will be couldn't. Obia Galai, anything can happen. America can never be predicted. America is going to be unpredicted nation from 20th. And therefore, we must be very careful how Nana we deal with things. How we deal with things. How we deal with things. Now watch this. I feel your cara attractive, your cara attractive peace, your cara attract. The man artist I China for Chilcom. Debbie, we can't come. We'll be a Montpellier. And your nombre be a momudi. No, they watch the year and what the year offer. But natural law is natural law. Natural law doesn't need prayers. It needs applications. Yeah. Simple. Mami come and can't Ghana for say natural laws are natural laws. It doesn't need prayers, it needs applications. Yeah, simple. Enti. A few way no. Baby a true ngobiano supposed to be white, gold, and silver. Now protect true nama. White, gold, and silver. And nothing Yame catch them say. President P happen me busa am say why? When two papa for. And Debbie, this is the year of golden ox. let's go back to Gold Coast. Until what fleck and tell gold and I want to so to the seat of power. Just say your kingdom no gold womb. How the me channel? Your kingdom no ye womb. It doesn't matter the metal. It doesn't matter the metal age. It doesn't matter the metal year. We will turn our metal into our forefathers' land. This is the land of gold.
So for now MPs no and can MPP MPs no so do one so frakente odi opon kroma no mesla osu no mo ni I don't know so mo frakente no bukente kama pa. They are probably having the right colors.
Oh yes, they are having the right colors. Others all be white or be gold or silver. You don't go close to any other color. No. When you are dealing with throne, I'm not talking about money. When you are dealing with throne, then you can carry no.
Yeah.
I say communion is one. You teso ni efita.
Yeah.
Crown a bomb. Crown a gold. Atade a shawam a white. It you do be siso afinimu a you dress according to the heavens kingdom. Then now yes say samo bompa mpa na bo let thy kingdom nti ya do kingdom no a ye go cause no to heaven kingdom no ho a I don't know be say then na ma sante hu ye hu ote kokoko be na ote so wo ko akonwa na kokoko akonwa adenti na akonwa tuntum ye fere ne kokoko what is here Messiah we mo bia ntu kwan so okwa akwaje saka okwa akwaje saka everything is in this year. It's just a matter of 1, 2, 3. Let them.
Application,
me dofo. Application, come. Any probably yes,
that's right.
Any probably the next 12 years.
wow.
The next 12 years. Escafo be buffoma or monsoribim. One best send woman your my way. I'm telling you the gospel truth.
Ebi no so ye ne mebia. Almost on be sure say escafo fofora. Almost so aba.
Who said it is the year of plowing? You better come once. Aba yes buye na ogufo bi kogu na be afiwe na bani bem. The physical aspect of that ayi.
Okay.
My baba can't tell president. That make konti. Every leader must listen to say ayi. The physical no fan to 24 years no. The physical aspect of 4 years no. Ogufo bi kogu na be bi no ho mo te say no ma mo de wachi no mo so.
The parable of the sower.
Onya no ma be bre di na chi.
What do na ma ya fa ko? Ade so ye dua. Na so aba.
Kakra bi na gu ade papa so kakra bi na timi ye adwuma ma no. Enfo no to ye nyama ho.
Anyway.
Betrayal.
Yeah. Come, say the nyame nyansa ye de bobra.
Enti wo yen asetena mu no apart from the throne as ye de wo kwa kosi so a yen na yen so e wo ase no yen so ye bedi afa white no mu
eno ne ba kire no
na ba kire
when you are dealing with the throne.
Okay.
No, and that is why you go with the white, the gold
and the silver.
The silver is the last thing when you the silver, but the main crown no a boat no and who say Kwame Olympics ya Amoako we mom di kan dia na yere ma wom
e mom gold medal.
Oh yeah, and some silver.
Yes.
And ameboa.
Yes.
Oh yeah, until Utino supposed to be gold head. To say Daniel, afi when so be can Daniel Nebuchadnezzar die no where you good where you na ma turn into Africa continent. Na me Ghana account na ma kire ba bia Ghana wo. Nipa be bo mo nsem.
Ha.
Afi we bibia ebe yi ne ho because this year is a earth year. Earth. Until you must apply the earthly law before the spiritual law.
The earthly law.
First, before the spiritual law. Because it is the earthly. And we say, tell my Elijah, echo to Elisha, no, now or proud with the 12 ox. Well, when you're present, you know, Bible says, unto us, a child is born, and unto us a son is given. His government shall be upon his shoulders. Until you're 12. I'm the American. And to Chema 4. So 4 way and the sign we MPP for because of this year no I will say I don't want to abetia Mr. President no because one who say no man was using only one face free SS free
SHS
free SHS me who can that no you supposed to be 4-phase government. I feel Mr. President step into 4-phase government.
Thank you.
4-phase ministry, 4-phase church, 4-phase FM. Yes, there be a program back on 3 years. Now supposed to be 4-phase. Them can what I say. 4-phase Christianity, sister. 4-phase. I feel make sure say so for UTM. Let your head be good first, because it is the 8th number. Come here, say your 8th number there, and yeah, now boy bang, and then who? I was halfway. And more 4. And one can pay January, and nothing from January you can. Say 20th of the year, and yeah, my bad and cry, and then I watch it, and yo. And yo, we go soon somewhere. Our one kwa. Come me see there.
Our one kwa.
Our one kwa.
What?
Yeah. Our one kwa snakes. Wherever there's snakes, there's contention, there's competition, there's betrayal. Adam from the Garden of Eden. Adam nene yere. Don't forget, it is the year of the earth. It's the year of plowing. Bible says Nyankopon ti form dot the you know nipa. No home nkwa home gu nipa 7 8 no Nyankopon de ne nsa. And what say do. It means ya asase ade.
Yeah.
Oh nyame doma owo no amfana ma asase. Enya asase no firi. Nti woni pe do asase no ho no wo pie bae. Wo pie bae ya contention, competition,
betrayal.
This is the year. First animal is snake. How can you deal with the snake? Can I be no be to stop snake? No make ka wa de. Am be keka wadwuma. Am fa yade am wi ase. Oko where hair sir. Aboa oyeden. Where hair? Omo symbol ni yeden.
Ayo wo out that po hu sir. Asclepius.
Wa. Eti afmo afiwe no scientists ebe break it through because of say snake na di kan pie ntino. Tell me what this? Tis a prophecy way. Afiwe scientists ebe nya upper hand. Apart from corona no with so many diseases.
Obenya breakthrough
because of the appearance of the snake. To the year of the healing. At the same time, onipa bia in the background. Omo cancer from March. The near mre no anhwe no so ya asamoato.
Ne near mre
no anhwe no
cancer no ho no anhwe no so ya.
Ba pie.
Asem beba.
Obo ne be
obi pie o cancer.
I want the background.
I want the background.
I want the cancer ansa wako. Wow. You what would I make page? I was say ye Nyankopon adwena eboa yen ma yetimi eden ebo ye mbra ama ya bra bo no atimi adimu na ye pe. This is the year of the earth number a year year nti everything bia no supposed to be on the earth, supposed to be natural law, supposed to be laws are a man nipa brabo afi we say also won say go so for bi action come sister we ba be ye you na be fa ye London yatum, Germany yatum, France yatum, Italy yatum, America hokra de west South
Africa also be be akọ
until say one year adwuma. Anytime you are dealing with us, you are dealing with hard work.
Yeah. So work hard.
You're supposed to work and work hard. And then now watching and now you better more into details. Now more secret about this year. How you're supposed to survive, you're supposed to succeed. This year, you don't need to carry anointing oil all around. What do you supposed to carry this year? Yeah, mom.
Some fire.
See, therefore, Bible says, and the children of Issachar, their duty is to know the times and seasons, so that they will teach the nation what to do. Onyankopon wa yehunam nyina nyankopon. Amma ne huhum enkata o ma we so. Amma ne bambo entena o ma we so. omani nkunim di entina man we so awura I pray and I prophesy that by the end of this 31st this month may this spirit disappear.
Jesus.
May this three spirit, the contention, the competition, the betrayal, from the presidency all the way to marriages and relationship, let it be disappeared. Ya paya me the man. Say I feel we ya wa bamu we no. Mo say the producer man and saso no won sa we tie mi be wie na masan won sa we ma wa bam na ma kire ba bia yiyade ye wo afi we oni pansam kwa me oni pansam na yiyade ye wo ya obie ma na ma kire won sa no ba bia yiyade ye wo. I prophesy into your hand. Amen. May your hand be blessed. Amen. I say may your hand be blessed. Ewulade ma won sa enye yie. Ewulade ade bia wo de won sa Ghana ni de nsa besom around the whole world. Ewulade ma ni enye yie. Now we stop this corona. Our young borders. Say South Africa ni atuma Ghana de ye ntum because ye de ye ho. Ewulade hira ne man. Ewulade hira wo. Ewulade hwa wo so. Na ewulade tu na ni hira wo. Still I am the only speaker in the kingdom. You started 21 days and then you be in Pabana, Minamibiano. Sunday, but I'm in Chawadibia, whatever Bobra. God bless you.
Prophet Francis Amoako and attending Kano. So for Michelle, that's a pa on your cassia and so. I feel a bit a bed day. So be dear no one a better say young quan dear a bay. Say yan sankwe na yanko a Parliament House na Injamu and for my Bema Captain Kojo Smart when he was a chairman Sabonsu and a chimcomo a defi Irano and the office our Parliament of Ghana.
Number all number. Okay. You need even number. Sena wodi ya menana mami fili Attah mena wodoni ye movie where part 1 it was Wasborn TV what I say telling about all your entertainment what I say just tune in so what they call mafi odo yehu and so me frewa ya umfa say umpe mi bi nso ene ka ubeye se kuma se masa.
Now you have no choice than to switch up to Wasborn TV and stay connected. Wasborn TV, entertainment